Wow, this is long. This is so long. Like it just keeps going. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Who is ready for a Coach unboxing? Because I know I am. Since the 2000s are making a comeback, I feel like so are the big brands from that era. I mean, like, look at Abercrombie. They have just made a huge splash, and I feel like Coach is another brand that's just like popping up everywhere because people just like are feeling that nostalgia again. So I decided that I wanted a new bag for fall. Not anything to replace the Louis Petite Noir that I carry every day, but I just felt like I needed a second bag for whenever I just wanted to carry around something a little bit smaller. So I decided to take a look at Coach. And actually the bag that I purchased that I'll unbox today is from the Coach outlet. It is not from regular Coach. I did look at both sites, and I just feel personally that I like the bags from the Coach outlet better than what they have at Coach. I don't know what it is. I just feel like the styles speak to me a little bit more. It's not anything having to do with the price. It really truly is that I just like the style selection and range better from the Coach outlet. So after doing a lot of research on both some regular Coach bags that I wanted and some outlet bags that I wanted, I finally ordered this one that's here in this box that we will take a look at in a second. But before we jump into that, I just want to welcome anyone who's new to my channel. My name's Sarah. I create content on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell right over here so you get notified of every time I have a new video. And for everyone watching, whether you are subscribed or not, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Helps out my channel so much and lets me know to do more of these unboxing and bag videos. And don't forget to also leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think about the bag or which bag from Coach you might have your eye on. But for right now, I know you guys came here for the unboxing, so we're just gonna get right into it. From the outlet, it just comes in like a regular box, but I think for the bags that come from like Coach, it comes in something a little bit more branded, if I'm not mistaken. Opening her up. And I was actually so shocked that I haven't opened this. I got this in like 2 or 3 days ago and I really wanted to open it, but I was like, no, we're gonna do it for the video. So for the outlet, it doesn't come with any like branded box inside. It doesn't even come with a dust bag. You guys can see the bag is just like right there, just wrapped up in some plastic with some padding around it. So that's gonna be the difference between ordering from regular Coach and ordering from the outlet. You just don't get all of those bells and whistles. But I feel like the bags are like pretty much the same in my opinion. So I have extra dust bags. It's not that big a deal to me to not get a dust bag. Getting rid of the padding, we don't need her. Here is the bag that I purchased, and from what I'm seeing, this is exactly everything I was hoping that it would be. I got the Jes Crossbody bag, and I've been wanting, I think for YSL they call it like a camera bag shape, which is pretty much this. It's just like your regular square shape, but it has a little bit of depth to it. But I've been wanting that style bag for a little while now. I just feel like it's a good shape for someone like me who does actually carry a camera with them, but it can still fit like all of the other things that I need. So it comes fully wrapped up in plastic. And here's the bag. It's a little bit bigger than I thought it was gonna be, and I like that. I was actually really concerned that it might be too small, so I do really like the fact that it came just a bit bigger than I was expecting. I was expecting it to probably be about like this big, so I like the little extra inch or so of real estate on the side here. The color that I got is the signature canvas, and this one is like their brown signature monogram, like the dark chocolate one, and then it has black trim and gold hardware on it. It has the Coach emblem here on the front in the matching gold hardware, and then it has the long crossbody strap around it. I believe that this strap is black as well. Yes, it is black. So here's the strap, and I guess I have to assemble it. Not that big a deal. Wow, this is long. This is so long. Like it just keeps going. Has the buckle right here, again, gold. I'm gonna put it on the second shortest. Or actually, should I do the shortest? I am very short. No, I'll do the second shortest. I want a little bit of length to it. Here, oh gosh. I'll step back for you guys. Here is where it hits. This is perfect. Okay, so the second shortest one, I feel like it's like the perfect length for me to be able to pick stuff out. Actually, do I want to go one lower? Because right now this is like perfectly on my hip. I kind of like the fact that I can rest my arm on it, but let me see here. I might want to go one lower. I just like it very slouchy. That's just my deal. This one is the third shortest. Okay, yeah, no, I like the third one. It just sits like maybe an inch lower. But oh my God, This is so cute. I'm obsessed. I love this. This is exactly what I wanted. And with this outfit, guys, this is like gonna be my new everyday look. Don't be surprised if I'm just walking around like this in every single vlog for fall, because fall goals. So let's explore this bag a little bit more. Oh, she's so cute, and she matches with my waist bag that I got a little while back. This is like the same colorway and everything, so they're like a little set together. I already boxed this bag in a vlog before, but in case you missed it, I feel like this waist bag is like this bag's little sister. The difference on this one is like the front pouch is all black, so you mainly see the black, but then the rest of it is that like chocolate Coach monogram pattern, and this one is actually really deep. It fits a ton in. It's just like the perfect waist bag. I actually wear it like a crossbody bag, but it's pure perfection. This one came from the outlet as well. It's so freaking good. But anyways, this video isn't about this, but just know this is like my love. So back to the crossbody. I know it probably like was weird that I got the same colorway in both bags, but I just really like the chocolate with the black. I just think it's so good for fall. For the strap here, it is detachable, so if you wanted to take it off and just kind of like use this as, I guess, like a clutch or something, you totally can. And then on the back, it has a little pocket. It stretches enough. You could totally slide your phone in here if you just wanted easy access to your phone, receipts, parking garage tickets, stuff like that. And then it has a gold tag right here that says Coach on it. This feels so luxurious. It's like a solid gold tag. I'm sure it's not like actually like pure solid gold, but I'm just saying it's definitely pure metal finished in gold. For the inside of the bag, it's a 2-zipper compartment. Again, both zippers are gold. So it has one compartment in the back here, and just pull all of that out because I do kind of like want to pack this a little bit and see how everything fits in here. So I think in like this back pocket, where's all my stuff? Grab some stuff because we're gonna pack this and see exactly how much it can fit in. In this back pocket, I would definitely do my wallet, and this back section does have a little pocket right here. So I'm gonna slide my wallet in there. This is just the YSL card holder. Then I'll pop in my biggest sunglass case. These are my Chanel's. Oh wow, that fits so comfortably. It's not even squished at all. Like, it has a ton of room still. And then just, you know, for fun, let's throw in a clip and let's throw in my keys. So that's it with all of that stuff in there, and there's still definitely room for more, which is so freaking nice. Wow. This can fit so much. And then we have this front pocket here, and this front pocket looks like it actually has more room than that back one, which already has a ton of stuff in it. So what I want to see in this one is if my camera will fit in it. This is the Canon M200, I believe. This is a secondary vlogging camera for me. I will usually vlog on my Sony most of the time, which is a little bit bigger than this, but I pull this one out whenever it's a vlog where I know I'm gonna be shooting photos with my Sony, or if I'm traveling, just because I try not to travel and vlog with my Sony too much, because this one is my main camera, and if anything happens to it, I would die. So this is the secondary one that I use. Let's see if this fits. Like I said, the Sony is a little bit bigger, but I feel like if this fits with some room, the Sony will definitely fit. So, wow, yep. Fits perfectly. Tons of room still in there, so the Sony will more than fit. Let's see what else we can put in here. So I have this. I wouldn't do this. This is too wide for it, but let me just grab like some of the stuff. Like, oh, okay, a mask. Let's grab that Tide stick that fell. My anti-chafing stick, always needed if I'm wearing shorts. Do a lipstick, a lip balm, this hair slick stick, and my anti-shine roller. So put all of that in here. Still a ton more room, and it's not bulging too much. So I could definitely stuff a lot more in here if I needed to. But yeah, this is perfect. This is absolutely perfect for an everyday bag when I just want something smaller than my Petite Noe, because I love that bag, but it's just, it feels bulky sometimes. So if I'm doing something like going to a theme park, we're gonna go to Not Scary Farm a couple weeks from now, I would not bring my Petite Noe. I would definitely opt for this one because, like I said, it's a lot more compact, and I like the fact that it's a crossbody. It's just gonna make it so much easier and more comfortable throughout the day. And this length is perfect because, like, you know, if I'm pulling my vlog camera in and out, that's gonna be like really easy to like access and stuff. So really happy with this purchase for fall. If you're someone who carries a lot of stuff, but you don't want your bag to be too big and bulky, definitely check this one out, because like I said, I'm so impressed with how much it fits in it. And this one also does come in a few other colorways. I will link them all below, along with anything else I showed you guys that like went into my purse. And I believe that this retails for like something like 150, maybe less than that. I happened to get mine when they were doing their friends and family discount, so I think I got it for like 20% off. So it's not a bad price, especially if you're looking for something that's like a little bit nicer quality, not quite designer, but not quite like Target or fast fashion. I think that this is definitely a good in-between spot. Hi, I'm back, future me, just popping in. I texted a picture of this bag to Michelle and she made a really good suggestion. If you wanted to make this just like a shoulder bag, you could totally pop a different chain on this. So I grabbed this one off of an Amazon dumpling bag I have, and I wanted to give it a try. I also wanted to see it with a chunkier chain on it. I think that that would look kind of cool, but I think that switching this out to a gold chain would be a really great way to elevate this and kind of turn this into like a bag for going out at night, like to dinner or to a party or maybe even a wedding. So, oh, so cute. So here's what it looks like with the gold chain on it. Let me step out of the way. I love, and then yes, oh my God, I love it. Thanks, Michelle, for the suggestion. I have a couple of weddings that I'm going to be going to later this year, so I think I'm going to use this bag with this gold chain at the weddings because this would be perfect. I could still bring my camera to those weddings to vlog, but it's like cute and dressy enough that I can get away with a camera bag for a wedding. Obsessed. But anyways, that is gonna be it for this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As I said before, if you are new, I would love it if you would subscribe. Make sure to also like this video and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of the bag, if you guys would get it, or what Coach bag you guys might have your eye on. But for right now, I'm gonna get going. I love you guys. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you very soon again in my next video. Bye.